Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3.2, Topic The Kite Festival. Let us solve the question and answers of this unit. Let us begin. The Kite Festival. Question number 1. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. A.1. Simple factual activity. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one. Fiberglass kites led to creating power-driven aeroplanes. False. In Gujarat, the kite flying festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. False. Third point. Uttarayan start from Makar Sankranti onwards. True. Fourth point. Makar Sankranti is celebrated on January 13 or 14. True. Now let us jump on to the second question. Question number 2. Complex factual questions. Complete the table showing how the kites of the past differed from the modern ones. Kites of the past. First one. Made of kite paper. Modern kites. Motorized kites. Second. Had thin wooden frames. Box kites. Kites made up of fiberglass. Now let us jump on to the question number 2. Second point. When is the kite flying at its peak in India? Kite flying is at its peak in India during the coming up of spring and during the festival of Makar Sankranti, which coincides with the festival of Uttarayan. Third, write how they celebrate the kite flying festival in Gujarat. During the kite flying festival, people of all ages go out into the open to fly kites and to cut each other's kite. In towns and cities where open space are difficult to find, terrace and rooftops are often used to fly the kites. A3. Activities based on vocabulary. Give the synonyms and antonyms of the words below chosen from the bows in the box. First one. Happily, synonym joyful, antonym sorrowfully. Traditional, old-fashioned, and antonym is modern. Now, second one, complete the table noun, adjective and adverbs. First one is noun happiness, happy. Adverb is happily. Noun imagination, adjective imaginative, adverb imaginatively. Noun tradition, adjective traditional and adverb traditionally. In this manner, we have completed A1, A2 and A3 of passage 1. 4. Activities based on contextual grammar. First one. People of all ages go out into the open to try their luck with their kites. Pick out the finite verbs and the infinitives. Finite verb go, infinitive to try. Second, it is also a celebration to mark the end of winter. Rewrite using which. It is also a celebration which marks the end of winter. Personal response. Do you like flying kites? Why? Answer. I am not a very big fan of kites. I don't like to fly them, but I like to watch other people do so. I used to fly kites earlier, but once I came to know that birds died because of the glass covered thread and there were injuries to people too. So I stopped this sport. Question number 2. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport cum festival. True. Second, the Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open one day and night for a week. True. The special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. False. Tukalas are illuminated box kites. True. Now see, the passage is given, but don't write this passage. You only have to write question and answers. Let's move on further. Complex factual activities. First one. List any 4 reasons the kite festival at Ahmedabad is very special because. First, an National Kite Festival is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. Second, it attracts international kite flyers as well as local champions. Third, little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, UK, and other countries. Fourth, exotic kites with marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar in the sky. Second, how do they celebrate the kite flying festival in Gujarat? Answer. The kite flying festival begins at dawn and continues throughout the day. People of all ages gather in the open or on rooftops and terraces. They compete with each other and are triumphant when someone cuts their thread of a rival. An international kite festival is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. Third point, complete the following. A visit to the Pantang Bazaar proves that the entire city of Ahmedabad is obsessed with kites. Second, the special thread for kite flying is prepared by covering the thread with a mixture of glue and ground glass and allow it to dry. Write the synonyms and antonyms of the given words. Halt, pause, start. Triumph, victory, defeat. Exotic, foreign, native. Rival, competitor, partner. Soar, rise, drop. Brilliance, luster, dullness. A4. Activities based on contextual grammar. One of the highlights of this festival is Patang Bazaar, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. Underline the clause in the sentence. Now the clause here is one of the highlights of this festival is the Patang Bazaar. Second, they added a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the stars. Rewrite as two separate sentences. They add a grand beauty to the dark sky. They compete with the brilliance of the stars. Personal response question. What is the care to be taken by the children while flying kites? Answer. Children should not run after kites on the road or try to rescue them from trees. This could lead to accidents. They should be careful if they are flying kites from terrace or rooftops. The thread should be handled with care and there should be no injuries to animals or human beings because of it. Do as directed. Pick out two compound words from this lesson. Two compound words: kite flying, power driven. Second, use of the following phrase in your own sentence. In the middle of the night. The baby woke up in the middle of the night and began to play. Third, build a word change of 5 adjectives: long, green, naughty, young, grateful, lovely. Fourth, find out 4 hidden words from the given word. Each word should have at least 3 letters: traditional, tradition, train, drain, tried. Use of the following words in 2 separate sentences, the words having different meaning. Homographs. Watch. The policeman watched the house the whole day. Second, I was very upset and I had lost my watch. 6. Underline the clause and in the following sentence. Here clause is and. There is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. 7th one. Identify the types of sentence. The little boy would happily pick up his kite and run out into the field. Assertive sentence. Rewrite as an affirmative sentence. In India, however, the tradition of kite flying has not changed. Answer. In India, however, the tradition of kite flying has remained the same. Rewrite in indirect speech. The harassed mother would often say to her restless son, "Why don't you go to fly a kite?" The harassed mother would often ask her restless son why he did not go fly a kite. 10th. Use the word cut as a noun and as a verb in 2 separate sentences. Noun. The cut on my hand healed soon. Noun. Verb. I cut my finger when I was slicing a mango. Verb. In this manner, we have completed all the notes of the lesson 3.2, the Kite Festival. Hope you all are liking my video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Please subscribe it. I need your support.